Okay, I just weighed the tank when it was full of water, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to start pouring water out of the tank in just a minute and see how much water I can get, and also then weigh the tank again and see how much it weighs, and then water has a weight. It would be so many pounds per gallon or whatever, and I will use a mathematical formula and figure out exactly how much water that tank does in fact store, because it's not going to store 6 gallons worth of water. It's going to be about half that, or maybe even a little bit less than that. So it would be interesting to know exactly how much it does store. And but while we're waiting to do that, I just wanted to show you a little bit about what you get with reverse osmosis system. And let me, I guess, try to use a pointer or something so I don't have to get myself in the video. But anyway, at the bottom of this, you have a couple of pre-filters. And the water will go first through these pre-filters. Then it comes up and it goes through this membrane. And when it comes out of the membrane, some of that water will then go to drain out of the will be wastewater. Some of the water will then be used. The majority of the water will then be used and stored in this tank here. It'll go from this yellow hose to the tank. Then when you use it, it will come back through the yellow hose and then come up through the remineralizer. And when you go to install this, usually it all comes assembled, but sometimes people mess up when they put their own new, when they replace these every year. And make sure your big end, or the end with the collar on it, comes first, and that you're going toward the smaller end. And then at the very end, you've got the blue hose here, and this is what will go toward either your tap or your water ionizer, whichever. If you've got a faucet up there, it'll go to that, a special faucet, or it'll go directly into your water ionizer. You have to either drill a hole in your countertop or sink, or do something, use a G2 faucet, or get a special faucet for water ionizers. Okay, so I just wanted to show you that. One thing about reverse osmosis water, interesting piece of news about it, is that it will filter down to 1/1000th of a micron. A micron is just a very small measurement of size. And just to compare that with a 0.01 micron, 0.01 micron is 1/100th of a micron. And that is usually the finest pre-filter that you could get. And this is 10 times finer than that. So this is going to be so fine of a filtration system that it will literally take everything out of your water, which is not what you really want to do. So that's why you have to have a remineralizer cartridge for your health. You need to put some minerals back in your water. And this particular remineralizer cartridge is awesome because it's got all organic minerals. And organic minerals are the only minerals that your body will really be able to use properly and in a healthy way. Rock-based minerals are not really that healthy, or I mean, they're not awful, but they're not as healthy for you. And so this has got like coral calcium and other organic minerals, and it's just really awesome. It's got like 70 plus trace minerals in it. So it's really going to put back into your water a more perfect balance of minerals than what you're getting out of your tap water for sure. So this is what is considered the finest and best way to completely clean and remineralize and bring your water ionizer the the best source water possible. But you know, as you can see, it's got several stages, and not everybody might want to do all this, but I'm trying to bring you the information so you can see what it takes to have a reverse osmosis system.